Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to our channel, Living an OK Life. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Every time you hit that subscribe button, you support us and our channel and future videos. So what are we getting into today, Kendra?
Today we are going on a staycation.
Yes.
I am so excited. This is the grand opening week of the Omni Hotel in downtown Oklahoma City. So it's a pretty big deal. It's been all over the news and all over the radio. It's supposed to be the largest hotel now. It's like 605 rooms.
Yes.
So it's the largest hotel in Oklahoma so far now, and we're so excited. We're gonna stay the night and see what it's talking about. So
let's check it out.
Go ahead and get into it. Getting on this elevator. Ooh, look how nice this elevator is. Look at those golden buttons.
Yes.
This reminds me of the glass elevator from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay, take two. Try to get to the 8th floor.
They ain't let me go to the 8th floor.
That's so weird.
It's alright. That's what stairs are for, right?
Let's get off. This is a sign.
Sign should go in this way.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you had to place your key here and hit the button and then take you to your room. You just can't go up the elevator without having your room key. We learned the hard way.
Yeah, we did. We could not figure this elevator out. But you know, it's so funny because it says it right there. Place key card here.
Wow. 852. We're gonna have see, we have a king suite. We're probably gonna have the best room up there. You know, over here we have the hotel park.
Ooh, fancy.
We are at the far very end. Check this out.
Ooh.
Oh, we have a big...
Oh my goodness.
Look at this park. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
We have the corner legit.
This is so nice.
You have the park.
Look at this view.
You have the pool.
Yes.
You have the park.
Oh my goodness.
Talk about almost one of the best rooms in this place. What?
This is so nice.
Look at this king bed.
Wow.
And look, oh my goodness. Talk about gracious.
This is nice.
This is amazing. Talk about, oh my goodness.
Got me feeling fancy this weekend.
We legit have the best view.
So let's give a proper room tour real quick. You know, since it just first opened, you know, we're probably the first ones staying in this bed, so that's super exciting.
to sit in it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is gonna be so nice and relaxing.
Man, it just engulfs you, goodness.
I know.
You got the gold finishes. Look at those gold finishes.
It's so nice. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get me some bubble bath, and you can do a little glass of wine and some fruit over here. You guys, I'm so salty that I did not book 2 nights. Instead, we just did 1 night. 'Cause, you know, we live here in the city, so I just wanted to check out the hotel. But now I'm like, I should have booked 2 nights. This is so nice. We're gonna give you guys like a tour of the property and show you what's all going on around here and go down by the pool and stuff. But look at these. They said that we were preferred guests, so
we were like select guests. So you gotta understand, they have like the presidential suite, and then they have our suite. We have the king suite.
well, I don't think that. I don't think the rooms go like that.
No, but we do have like a really good room. It's like the king suite. It's like 800 something square feet. As you can see, we have the corner space, so it's like you have an amazing view.
Yes.
We have an amazing view of the park, of the rooftop pool, even of just the city. It's crazy.
Yes, it's so nice. So if you plan on staying here, we stayed in room 852. So you may want to request it. You know, do a girls spa day here, or a date night anniversary.
It is so elegant here.
It's
great,
really
like,
nice.
The architects and just like the what's it called, wedding furniture.
The decoration.
Whoever decorated the place, perfect. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, check it out.
Look how crazy this view is, you guys. I'm on the rooftop here at the Omni, and I'm standing like where this grass is. It would be like a really nice spot to get married if you were getting married. The pool's right over here. Cabanas behind you. It's really bright and sunny. I'm so glad today turned out to be a really nice day, because it was dreary and a little bit rainy, but it's really beautiful out here, you guys. Check out the Mocara Spa if you are looking to stay as a guest or even live in the city. Marcy, the director of the spa, was super nice to give us a tour and gave us a wealth of information. They are a full-service spa except for hair currently, because they're looking to hire someone for the position. So if you're looking for a job, check it out. They have a room where you can even have food for your bridal party, and they have a relaxation room for your before or after your services so you don't feel rushed. They will also validate your parking once you're done. this room is. It's like some kind of leaf room. The lights are really pretty, and then if you can tell, there's like leaves painted on the wall as well. Imagine having your wedding here.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun.
So we went to the Basin bar, and a really nice guy was like, hey, yeah, shout out to Brett. He was like, hey, I got you guys. So thank you, Brett. And now we're just waiting for our food at the tap house. We ordered some pizza and wings. So we're excited to eat that as well. We'll see how it is. Chew you up, bro, he should come. She's the man needer. Ooh, I'm so excited to dig in. They are so crowded, you guys. Let me tell you, the wait was forever, and they were backed up on orders, so they were like, hey, we got you guys. So we didn't have to pay for any of this because, you know, we're living VIP style up in here this weekend. Good morning. So it's the very next day. We are about to go grab some breakfast from one of the little cafes downstairs and get some coffee, and then checkout is at 11. So let's go see what they have for breakfast.
Go check it out. There you go. Hot chocolate. Is it pretty good? So she got hot chocolate, and then I got a mocha espresso. I got my smoothie bowl, and Kendra got a bacon, egg, and cheese croissant. As you can see, they have a really good breakfast.
Alright, you guys, it's gonna wrap this video up. We hope you guys enjoyed our tour of the brand new Omni Hotel in downtown Oklahoma City. If you plan on staying here, make sure you book your services and everything else and really enjoy your time, because we sure did.
And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified every time we release a video.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.